In this video we will be getting all about what is meant by actual artificial intelligence and what is the use, what are the advantages, disadvantages, and why the AI is booming right now in the market, and everything we will be getting all about the artificial intelligence. So make sure that the guys to hit the like, share and the subscribe button for such type of the videos. Okay, let's get started the video. Okay, so basically if we talk about what is artificial intelligence, okay, before that we will be seeing the core concept of machines that think like us. Okay, so let's move to the artificial intelligence introduction. Okay, artificial intelligence or AI is one of the most transformative technology today. It simply means making computers and machines think and act like humans. Okay, so if we talk about what is the purpose of making these AI models, so basically the purpose of making the AI models is that to make a model in a such a way that it can think and act like human beings. Okay, it can understand the problem, it can learn from the data, it can make the decisions, and also solves tasks automatically. Okay, this is how we are human beings trying to make an powerful AI. Okay, it has capability to think, act like human beings. Okay, so let's move to the next part, that breaking down the term artificial intelligence in two parts. Okay, to truly understand AI, let's look at its two fundamental concepts as artificial and intelligence. Okay, so first of all we will be getting all about artificial, that what is meant by actual artificial. Okay, word artificial describes that anything created or produces by human beings rather than naturally occurring. Okay, it means the intelligence is engendered. So let's move to the next part as intelligence, that what is meant by actual intelligence. Okay, this is the capacity to think, understand, learn from experience, adapt to new situation and solve problems. This is the definition of the intelligence. Okay, so if we combine the both words as artificial intelligence, we get an idea that we are the human beings making a model in a such a way that it gets the power, it gets the capability to think and understand and learn and experience and adapt with new situations and to solve the problem like human beings. This is how we are the human beings trying to create an AI model. Okay, so let's move to the next part. So next part is all about why AI is essential, our need for automation and insight. Okay, so basically if we talk about what is the need of AI, so basically here are some points. So first point is that it saves time and effort by automating repetitive tasks. The repetitive task will be get automated with the help of AI. Okay, it offers continue 24 into 7 working time. Okay, basically there is no need of time limitations, it will be working like 24 into 7. And next part is about it significantly reduces mistake and improves accuracy in complex processes. Okay, so basically it will try to reduce the mistakes and improves accuracy in processes. Okay, in the next video we will be getting the further part of the AI, so make sure that to hit the like, share and the subscribe button and stay tuned. Okay, let's see you in the next video guys.